Hi, I'm Lorraine, founder of Nyrah Beauty. Apologies for my lack of voice today, but I just really want to show you how to use our airless pumps properly because they're a little bit different to the traditional pots, and lots of you have been asking. We've all had that moment where you can get to the end of a product and you know there's still more inside that you just can't reach. I also personally never liked dipping my fingers into jars, so when I created Nyrah, it was really important to make something more hygienic while also protecting the formula inside. That's why we use airless pumps. They work like a vacuum seal, meaning air is kept out of the product. This keeps the formula stable, and it also pushes up every last bit of product so nothing is wasted and you're getting the most out of the product. You'll find these on our full size undress, infuse and absorb. First, this is the lid. You just pull it straight off. There is no twisting. Underneath is your pump. This needs to be pressed down evenly from both sides using both thumbs. If you press on one side or apply uneven pressure, it won't dispense properly, or it can get stuck and feel like it's not working. When your product is brand new, you'll need to prime the pump. This just means pressing it down multiple times to push the air out before the product starts to come through. It's completely normal if nothing comes out at first, especially if you haven't used this type of pump before. So keep pressing and rest assured it will dispense when it's ready. As I'm sure you can feel the weight of the 50 grams inside. Once it's primed, the product will dispense smoothly and you only need 1 to 2 pumps for the face per use. The packaging is made up of an inner and an outer jar. So if you've ever unscrewed the top, just make sure when you're putting it back on that you screw it along the threads and ensure it is flush and even with the outer jar. And that means that it's all sealed properly. If it's not evenly sealed, air can get back into the packaging, which can affect how the pump works. If that happens, you may just need to reprime, which is a fancy way of saying pressing down on the pump until there is no air left. Once you get used to it, it's a much more hygienic and effective way to use your skincare, and it ensures you are not wasting any product.